Hey, Safety Sammy here. Do you do screw drivings? I know you do screw drivings. So here I'm doing screw drivings on my boats. And I got some equipment set up that I need to do without the winchy stuff. We don't do the winchy stuff here. We do the hand come along. And when you do the come along, you see it lifts. And, but be careful, there's dust particles when you lift the metal. So order your mask from me today. The boat just fall down. It's not on it? Okay, once I come down, it's gonna go boop boop. Safety Sammy says, watch out.